Hello everyone! I have a question. Gaano ka nga ba kasimple, diba? So, bigla ko tuloy naalala ang kantang ito. Ganito lang ako, simpleng tao, ang may pagyayabang ko lang sa'yo ay ang pag-ibig ko na di magbabago. Diyan po ikot ang aking mensahe. Sino po sa inyo ang bumibili po ng mga damit po sa ukay-ukay? Meron po ba? Ako po kasi ganyan eh. Yes po, at hindi ko po yan ikinakahiya. Talaga pong proud pa akong isuot po ang ganyang klase ng mga kasuotan. So pakinggan niyo po ang mensahe ng video kong ito. Simplicity is a state of being low-key in all aspects of life. Living a simple life doesn't mean we are withdrawing ourselves from doing such things that gives us a temporary merriment, relaxation, and satisfaction. It means we're just choosing what is essential and worth cherishing for. Life is too short to dwell in a dark room of predicaments, diba? Simplicity gives us clarity and peace of mind rather than confusion and tragic endings. Here I am, encouraging each and everyone to focus well in order to have a joyful ride of so-called life. Why? Because we cannot move the minute hand of the clock and take it back in a particular scenario wherein all is well. One thing I realized these past few days, material possessions are just temporary assets of mine. What I'm longing to experience is to have a permanent peaceful mind, happy heart and soul. Ako po kasi, I wear only expensive blouse, shoes and bags if all the teachers are required to attend a prominent school gatherings like teachers' nights, teachers' party, seminar, and team building. Kapag ordinary days lang po talaga namang napakasimple ko lang pong manamit at mag-ayos, hindi mo po talaga akalain ako po ay college graduate. Sabi nga po nila, ay, teacher ka pala, hindi po talaga halata daw. So, yan po, once again, simplicity is a must nowadays. Romans 12 verse 16, live in harmony with one another, do not be proud, but be willing to associate with people of low position. Do not be conceited. Once again, simplicity gives us clarity and long-lasting happiness now and forever. I am wishing each and everyone a wonderful life journey. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all.